Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Nasa hot seat po ngayon yung DepEd una ay yung 1,000 na unused classroom na gawa ng DPWH. Ngayon naman ay itong Undersecretary ng DepEd na si Yusik Olayvar. Siya kasi ay nasasangkot di umano sa kickback scheme sa DPWH. Ito ay nang magsalita si Yusik for Operations Roberto Bernardo ng DPWH na si Olayvar ay isa sa mga mataas na opisyal na nakakuha ng kickback sa DPWH. Sabi ni Olayvar, I deny the allegations made and want to state clearly that I welcome any investigation regarding this matter. The DepEd official added that he would voluntarily take a leave of absence to ensure a fair inquiry. To allow a fair inquiry, I will voluntarily take a leave of absence from my post and I'm ready to fully cooperate with all proceedings. Ito yung sabi niya. Bernardo earlier claimed that in 2024, Olayvar requested him for a list of projects worth 2.85 billion with around 15% allegedly committed as kickbacks from unprogrammed appropriations. He said he first met Olayvar in 2010 when he was working under the office of the former Senator Ramon Revilla Jr. before later transferring to the office of former Senators Edgardo Angara and Sani Angara. Ito naman ang reaksyon ni Education Secretary Sani Angara na ni-reaffirm that the DepEd remains committed to delivering quality education despite allegations linking one of its undersecretary to a supposed kickback scheme in government projects.